Richie Dotson here again from Chateau Debris, aka my office, my shop in what in the world are we looking at here? I might have to look myself. It's a custom Pisgah, September 2023. It has a scooped persimmon fingerboard, has a nice set of unplated brass godos, unplated brass hardware, wooden armrest. It's very comfortable. Number 2763. You can find this. It's got a Dotson walnut bridge. It sounds really good. I don't actually own an old-time banjo anymore. It has a custom headstock shape with a cherry veneer, and it's ready to go. Visit us on the web at banjomart.com, where you can see detailed photographs of this girl, and I think the black dots are actually kind of cool. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little notification bell if you'd like, and you can be notified as soon as we upload one of these so you can see interesting things like this. Have yourself a good one. We'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching.